Number 10. Number 9. Number 8.
The KitchenAid Blade Coffee Grinder combines high performance with classic styling to deliver gourmet results every time. Flawless fingertip control lets you grind enough beans to brew up to 12 cups of coffee, quickly and with minimal noise. And the bowl, blade, and cover are dishwasher safe. It's how great coffee gets made. Premium performance, exceptional results, legendary KitchenAid quality.
Number 7.
Fresh garlic can mean the difference between a good dish and a great dish. One of our major pet peeves when working with garlic is the papery skin that won't come off the cloves. To use the OXO garlic peeler, simply insert garlic cloves into the green silicone peeler and roll it back and forth on the countertop while pressing downward. The unique shape keeps the cloves inside while you peel. Garlic cloves come out peeled, while the peel stays inside. Just rinse to remove the peel. The OXO garlic peeler stores neatly in its vented plastic box, and the box and peeler are both dishwasher safe. Here's a good tip. One OXO fan uses one of the openings of the garlic peeler to help open 2-liter soda bottles. The silicone provides just the grip for opening twist-off bottles.
Number 6. Number 5. Number 4. Number 3. Number 2. Number 1.
The new Fast Cut Herb tool from Xylus makes light work of chopping herbs. With 5 high-quality stainless steel cutting wheels, the Fast Cut Herb tool is great for cutting rosemary, coriander, basil, parsley, tarragon, chives and more. Much quicker than chopping with a knife, this gadget glides through herbs with speed and ease. This compact handheld device features a blade rotation mechanism, allowing the blades to rotate 90 degrees to offer greater versatility when in use. You can either roll the herbs using your palm or rotate the blades and use the grip function. The soft touch handle ensures comfortable and easy use. Ideal for using herbs as a garnish or for adding herbs to sauces or roasted vegetables. A blade cover allows the Fast Cut Herb tool to be safely stored. And for cleaning, simply remove the top and put in the dishwasher. For effortless herb chopping, use the Fast Cut Herb tool, another great innovation from Xylus.